Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to learn our next lesson of English Balbharti Standard 1, Unit number 4, Lesson number 2, Sunny and Minnie. Listen carefully. It was Sunday morning. Sunny was in his bed. Get up, Sunny. Brush your teeth, said his mother. Hi, Sunny. You are still lying in bed? Get up, said Minnie. Hi, Minnie. Let's play. But you look so dirty. I am clean. So what? Let's play, Minnie. Come on, Sunny. Look yourself in the mirror. Okay, I will. Your teeth are yellow. Your mouth is sticky. Your hair are messy. Yes, I am looking very ugly. I like clean friends. Clean yourself and let's go to play. Yes, I will be right back. Sunny went and started cleaning himself. First, he is brushing. After that, you can see Sunny is taking bath. After taking bath, Sunny is wearing neat and clean clothes. And after wearing clothes, Sunny is combing hair. Wow! Sunny, you are looking neat and tidy. Let's play. Thank you, Minnie. Let's play and enjoy Sunday. Minnie and Sunny are playing with each other. The moral of this lesson is that we should clean ourselves every day. As Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, cleanliness is half the faith. So, dear students, we should clean ourselves every day.